Mobile's presence during CES 2019 might have been the lightest we've seen in years, but there were still a few surprises that managed to stand out. The Nubia Red Magic Mars was one of them. Even though the ZT offshoot has never been one to test the US waters, the Nubia Red Magic Mars aims to make a splash not only for its gaming-centric prowess, but for its killer price point of $400 when it launches later this month via direct sales. Well, let's admit, the first thing to draw us to the Nubia Red Magic Mars is its aggressive-looking design. A unique look that doesn't necessarily follow the glass meets metal constructions that have dominated the scene. It instead is fashioned from anodized aluminum and is flaunting one geometric-looking pattern that catches our eye. Supplementing its gamer-centric design, it features a liquid cooling design to boost CPU and GPU performance, while the LED strip on the back can be customized to your particular taste. Another interesting aspect of the design is that it features a gaming mode that can be activated by the switch on its left side, essentially locking the phone into whatever game you're playing while dismissing any and all notifications so you're not disturbed. Furthermore, it features two touch-sensitive shoulder buttons on its right edge that can be programmed to perform whatever functions you want in a game. Now, to do this, all that's needed is to place the corresponding overlay controls over the on-screen buttons in the game. Powering the Nubia Red Magic Mars is Qualcomm's flagship chipset from last year, the Snapdragon 845, coupled with either 6, 8, or 10 GB of RAM, and those options are attached with storage capacities of 64, 128, and 256 GB capacities. Sure, it's not the latest piece of silicon that Qualcomm announced a month ago, but the Snapdragon 845 is still quite a formidable chip for all intents and purposes. In our short hands-on time, we were able to see it play some graphics-heavy games without showing any sort of indication it was struggling. As we mentioned already, the Nubia Red Magic Mars is coming here to the US through direct sales with a satisfying $400 price point. We presume that's for the base model with 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. That's not too shabby considering its killer design and generous gaming features. Indeed, just about every flagship can be classified as a gaming-centric device thanks in part to their incredible performances, but the Nubia Red Magic Mars really accentuates its gaming emphasis a lot more. This one shouldn't go under the radar when it launches here stateside, so we're curious to see how Nubia will tackle getting the word out. And that is it for our hands-on look here at the Nubia Red Magic Mars. If you guys want to learn more about it, you can check out our website, PhoneArena.com. This is John V, signing off.